So in previous class, what I was told? The concept of what? Data type. In data type, I was taught you the concept of what? Int data type. Now in int data type, if you can see, I was taught you how you can convert the digit from what? Binary to decimal. Like that na. So now question is, now I will convert, now we will discuss now. So we have one decimal number, and that decimal number I want to convert what in a binary. Like that na, understand? So there are three function is there, okay? Base conversion, okay na? What function is there? See first. Okay, any problem, anyone? Okay, clear everything? So now what function is there? First one is your bin. Okay na, what is bin? If I should, whatever I'm writing in bin, bin means what? They convert into what? Binary. How? Can I check? You can do in your laptop also. Everyone do in your laptop also. Simple. This is simple one. Okay, this is very, this is not complicated. Okay, this is simple one. I think one thing I can do, see everyone, I would take one x equal to bin. X is your variable. In this bin, if I'm writing here 23101, okay, 23101, okay, so this is decimal number, this is decimal number. Now I want to convert this decimal number into what? Binary. Binary. How we can convert? Should I check? Okay, so first we are go to your our notepad. From tomorrow onwards, tomorrow na, we will discuss and we will do in here Google Colab also code. Okay, okay na. So what I should write here? Tell me. I create new tab, and simple I should write here x equal to bin. Bin is a function. In this bin, whatever I'm writing, okay na, whatever writing, the decimal number, that decimal number will convert to what? In binary. So binary significance is what? 0b. 0b. So I should write any decimal number. Okay, done. This is my decimal number. Now I want to what? Print x. Just I will save. Where I can save this one? Where? Save as. Okay, so after that I will just save my file name. I'll go to desktop. Which program is this one? Check. Tell me firstly. Python. Fine. Python evening class. Like that na. In this one, I should create. Okay. Wait. P just like bin na. It's decimal. So DEC dot. I'm writing py. Like that na. I'm going just all. Remember that this one. Just save it. Okay. Done. Go to my file. Again. Any problem, anyone? No. After that, I will go to what? Desktop. Again, I'm going to which programming language? Where? Python. Yeah, this one I will go. Go to what? CMD. Open. So what is our file name? Deck. Python deck dot py. Clear? See. What is the output? 0b. This is the significance of your what? Binary. So here, what we are doing here? Decimal to binary. That time binary to decimal. This time decimal to binary. This conversion happened because of what? Bin function. Any problem you have? Anyone? No problem? Understand everything? Clear for everyone? Any problem? Just wait, internet connection. Wait. Everyone wait for 1 minute only. Clear? Are you in online, everyone? Or still error? No, no? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Screen is visible. Screen is visible to you. Now
Yes,
I
sir.
will go to my pad. Okay. Now what done? This okay. Binary to done. Okay. Now if hexadecimal is there, what I can do here? See, Siva. If I can write here x equal to hex. in this hex function, if I am writing any digit between decimal number, any decimal number, okay, I'm writing a 2 3 1 0 1 2 whatever you want, okay na, and that run. How you can check? See here, I will write one more function, okay na, one more variable I would create, y equal to hex. What I should write in hex? Any number, any decimal number, any decimal number na. After that, if you got the output, what output got in a 0 o, sorry, oct is 0 no, hex is what? 0x. Hex is what? 0x. First I will do oct, then hex. Oct, oct also, and int y. Done. If you write semicolon also no problem, if you don't write also no problem. Z equal to hex. In this hex function I should write what? Anything. This is decimal number, okay, any decimal I should write, okay na. Just I click printer. What printer? Z. Just save this one. Save. Done. Go to my command prompt and I should write here what? Python dot, tell me, Python, sorry, Python dot deck dot py. Check the answer. For decimal this is the answer, for octal this is the answer, for hexadecimal this is the answer. Why this b will come? Because in hexadecimal our base is what? 0 to 16. So this 10 also covered in our in hexadecimal. 11 is also covered in hexadecimal. 12 is also covered in hexadecimal. 13 is also covered in hexadecimal, like that. Now you are able to understand? Any problem you have? Shiva, Selja, nothing? Any online student, any have problem? Swapna, Karthik, tell me if you have any problem. So you understand everything
No, sir.
in integer data type? Understand everyone? Integer data type. Now what is our second data type? Float data type. Float means what? You understand the word float? Decimal value. We can use float. I'm writing the definition, okay, na, for float. We can use float data type. We can use float data type to represent floating value or decimal value. Decimal, you know, to represent floating value, or I can say that like that, decimal value, like that. Understand everyone? Now what is the meaning of decimal value? Something point, just like I want to store the temperature or anything in the point, just like 35.6. You should store this in integer type. Is it possible in integer? Tell me, is it possible in integer this 35.6? No, because this is what? Floating type. Always remember that. In your mind, definitely again one question is arises. What question? Sir, if I can write x equal to 0b 35.6, y equal to 0o 35.6, z equal to 0x 35.6. Okay na? In your mind definitely think like integer na? No. But always remember that this is not valid in float. This 0b 0o 0x conversion only valid in integer data type. This conversion is not valid in a float data type. Any problem? Understand everything? Now in float data type, one more is important, okay na? You know exponential, e means what? Exponential. This is allowed in float data type, like that I'm telling you. Wait, just like I have one integer, okay, or floating x equal to 35.6000000 e 00000, like that. If I want to store that type of this type of number, so you should stay e, this is the power, okay na? They have to reduce the what? Reduce the length. E, what they can do? E, your reduce the length. You can see this one, reduce the length. Understand? And everyone, e means what? This e exponential will reduce your length. Okay, just I will check here. What should I write here? Go to my notepad. Okay, I'm writing one variable x1. Okay, okay, what I can write in variable x1? Yeah, float. 45.3000 E 00000 like that, na? Just what print? What print x1? Okay, x1 done. We'll just save. Go to our Python. Python deck.py. So what you got? 55 45.3. So your number is reduced here because of what? Exponential. Because of what? Exponent power. Clear? Everyone understand? Now, so this is your floating data type. Floating data type is so easy. Clear, everyone? Any problem? Tell me if you have any problem. So I'm going to Boolean data type. Then, okay. So what is the meaning of Boolean data type? Boolean means what? What you have to understand the Boolean? True or exactly same, Siva, right? Exactly right. Boolean means what? Something called as true. True means what? Electricity on. False means what? Electricity off, like that. So what is the meaning of proper definition? If I can tell in Boolean, what you should write? We can use the data type to represent Boolean. The only value allowed in Boolean. The, always remember the only value allowed in Boolean is what? What is only value allowed in Boolean? Tell me. Either true or false. Always remember that true means 1, false means 0. True means 1, false means 0. So we will discuss now in practical way also. Okay, na? This is the theory. Understand? True or false. If I should write here x equal to true, I'm printing what? Print x. So true will print a. True will print a. If I'm writing here y equal to false, false, y equal to false. So what I should write here? Print a y. So you got what? False. Like that. Clear, everyone? Understand? Now, so we'll do practical also, na? Then you are more understand, more clarity you have. Okay. Just I will go to my notepad again. Okay, na? What I should write here? Tell me. Y1 equal to true. Like that. Y1 equal to what? True. True I'm using. True. Okay. TR UE true and print Y1. Clear? Now, again as I'm writing here, Y2. Y2 equal to false. Then I should print again what? Print Y2. Clear? Everyone clear? Now just I will save this one. If I want to check, you can check here also. So what should I write here? Python deck.py. See, everyone, what you got as answer in output screen? True or false? If I want to check with proper practical implementation way, true means what? 1. False means what? 0. Either 0 or 1. So one thing I can do here, I will go in my notepad and one more variable I would take here. Okay, y3 equal to, okay, true plus true. What is the value? True means what? 1. True means what? 1 plus 1 2. Clear? Now I will just write what? Print y3. Okay, y3. Clear? Just I will save it. If you want to see here, check it, everyone. So what should I add here? Python dot py. Understand, everyone? Siva, see what is the output here? 2. You are able to understand, everyone? Now one thing I can do here. False means 0. Again, just try it. Wait 1 second. I will just change this true into false. What is the output? 0 plus 1 0 plus 1, 1. Again, I would take again. Okay, now y4. Okay, y4 equal to false plus false, like that. Print y4, like that. Just take control S, Python, take dot py. Okay, check 1 0. I think you have no confusion in this data type. Boolean data type, or you can say bool data type. Bool means what? Either store true or store false. Clear, everyone? Now if you have any confusion in boolean, float, int, you can directly ask me any question. Any problems? Any question arises? No, from your end? Nothing? Should I proceed ahead? Now our next data type is our what? Complex. Complex means what? The word complex. Your sir, complex means complex something. No, it's easy. Okay, if you are remember your 10th class maths, remember one chapter is there, complex number. On that complex number, one number is a real number, one number is what? Imaginary number. So imaginary number means what? Something called imagines, dreams, that is not present in real, is called your what? Imaginary number. So what is the representation of complex number? I should write here. Okay na? Complex data type. Okay na? Clear, everyone? I should write here complex data type. Clear? Now the representation of complex data type, A plus bj. What is bj? J is the indication of our complex, and A is your real number. What is A? Is your real number, and B is your imaginary number. Imaginary number. Any problem? Understand everything? So A is your real number and B is your what? Imaginary number. Imaginary number, like that na? Now I can check. I would write here like that. X equal to 2 plus 3j. So 2 is your what? Real number, and 3 is our imaginary number. Imaginary number, like that. Clear? Just hold 1 minute. Okay, I'll call from my. Okay, just hold 1 minute, everyone. Hello. Sir. क्या बोले? No, I'm not. I'm outside. I'm update you. I'm busy. Workload is more. So I'm busy now. I'll update you. What? I dropped that. No problem. Clear? Everyone? Any problem? Nothing? Understand? So now, so we are doing here. 2 is our what? Real number, and 3 is our what? Imaginary number. So should I check here on a practical implementation also? See here. I'm writing here y5. Okay. In y5, I'm writing here first 3. 3 is our real number. 4 is our imaginary number. This is the significance of what? J is your what? Complex type. This number is what? Complex type. I want to just what? Print y5, like that. Save, control S. I'll go to my this Python deck dot py, like that. So you got answer? You got answer now? 3 plus 4j as a complex type. If you want to check the type also now, you can also type take. How we can check type? See here, everyone. If I want to check the type, okay, so we should write directly what? Type. What is type? of what? Type of what? Wi-Fi. Okay. Just I will save, Control S, and you will see here Python. It's a VS Code, not VS Code. It's a notepad. Tech.py. See here. What is this type? Complex type. Now I think you are able to understand. You can find any type, int type also, float type also, type function is there. Using type function, you can achieve everything. Okay, now clear everyone? Any problems? Nothing? No. Okay, thank you. So now I am going to tell you one thing more important in our complex type. What important is there? See here. X equal to, here I am writing 2. This is a real. So in this real number, you should use binary also, octal also, hexa also. You can use how like that. Just like I'm using what? 1 1 1 0 1. This is decimal. If I want to convert this binary, what should I write here? 0 0 B 0 B. So 0 B I'm writing. Okay. Now after that plus 3Z. Okay. Clear? Print X like that. So I will do here in practical way. See everyone. I'm writing here. Take a variable y6 equal to 0b 10101. Okay, this is binary. Binary plus 5j. Okay, print what? Y6. Okay, Control S. We'll go to my video here and Python tech.py like that. So we'll got answer. What answer? 22. So this 0b will convert to what? Decimal. So our binary number will convert to what? Decimal. But always remember that if same activity I will do with what? Imaginary number, they gives you error because this is a imaginary number. This is not your real number. So can I check? Wait. I will just little bit change in my program. What change? Wait. Definitely. So I'm writing here 7 5. Okay, now in this imaginary part I should write 0b 0111 like that. Okay, now if I just run this code now, this imaginary part I will write here binary number. So that is not valid in Python. Python imaginary number not considered as a what? Binary. They are not converting. Easy? Understand? So one thing I can do here, I will just check again deck Python deck.py like that. See, error come na, invalid binary literals, line 19, error is there like that na. Understood everyone? Now but you can, in a real part you can change everything. Just like I'm imaginary part, I will remove this one, imaginary part 4 5. Okay, in real part na, you can use octal also. 0 0 O 0 sorry 0 O. Okay, I'm writing here any number in between 1 to 7. Okay, I will just save. I will check it. What I'm writing here? Python deck.py like that. See, will come na, output will come na in decimal, convert na. You can use hex also. If I use 0x, 0x is your what? Hexadecimal type. Okay, again Control S. I will go again to our where is my prompt? Command prompt. Just I will go again. Okay. Python deck.py like that. See? Done. Any problem? So we will convert in complex data type also without any problems. Without any problems. Anyone have any problem in today class? If you can problem, you can ask me question. Online student, offline student. Tell me. Any question, Karthik, Siva? No? Nothing.
No, sir.
Question?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much. And from tomorrow, we'll proceed with string data type and typecasting. Okay, after string, your major data type is int. Typecasting, then what? List, tuple, set, dictionary, frozen set, byte array, none, range, everything we will discuss here. Okay, we will go very deeply in Python. So everyone, you have to revise every day class. Okay, now otherwise you are not understand. Okay, thank you for everyone. So we'll meet tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Tomorrow I am not there. Okay, so meet from day after tomorrow. Okay.
Sir,
Okay. Okay.
set.